Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change your emoji set to Twemoji on the Telegram desktop app using the latest update. If you prefer a cleaner and more modern emoji style, this is definitely something you'll want to try. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're running the latest version so you can access all the newest features, including the updated emoji settings. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to your main configuration area where you can customize your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, find and click on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats look and feel, including themes, text size, and of course, emojis. Now, look for the option that says Choose Emoji Set and click on it. You'll see different emoji styles available depending on your version of Telegram. Select Twemoji from the list. This emoji set is known for its simple, clean, and widely recognized design, similar to what you might see on platforms like Twitter. After selecting Twemoji, you can simply close the settings window. There's no need to save manually.